How to transcribe calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the FaceTime application on your iPhone. Once you're in the app, you will see a list of your recent and suggested contacts. Find the person you want to connect with and tap on their contact card to start a video call. The call screen will appear, showing that it is connecting to the other person. Once the call is established, you can see the other person and your own video feed, along with controls at the bottom of the screen. Tapping the three-dot icon opens a menu where you can add more people, view a contact card, or share your screen. Now, tap on Live Captions to begin transcribing the conversation. This feature transcribes the call's audio in real time and displays it as text on your screen, which is useful for accessibility. Once you're finished, simply tap the End Call button to hang up. The transcription will stop when the call ends. To finish the call, simply tap the cross icon at the bottom. The app will then return you to the contacts screen. Following these steps, you can easily FaceTime or call people from an iPhone.